Good morning to all of you. The previous lecture discussed about chemical reactions of oxalic acid. Okay, in this chemical reaction, first reactions when oxalic acid on esterification are treated with alcohol to give diethyl oxalate. Okay, then reaction with ammonia when oxalic acid is treated with ammonia, then nucleophilic attack or non-bonded electron of nitrogen, they nucleophilic attack on carbonyl carbon. At that time, leaving of OH group, this OH group minus can attack on NH3H positive ion to get converted into oxamide. First intermediate formation of ammonium oxalate. It is a complex, it is an intermediate. After heating, liberation of water molecule to formation of oxamide. Okay, in this oxamide, various applications in drugs chemistry. Okay, like penicillin, beta lactam moiety are present. You get the cyclic structure. Okay, then next chemical reaction is in reaction with glycerol. You know glycerol. ग्लिसरॉल जनरली कॉस्मेटिक मध्ये बराच यूज केला जातो. ओके, मुलींना माहित असतो ग्लिसरॉल, नंतर रोज वॉटर जेल, रोज वॉटर, चिनी माती, ह्या ज्या काही गोष्टी आहेत तर ह्या आपला म्हणजे स्किन ड्राय होऊ नये म्हणून याचा उपयोग करतात. आणि ग्लिसरॉल आपलं तोंडामध्ये जर काही फोड आले असतील किंवा आपल्या बॉडीची जर हीट वाढली असेल तर ती हीट कमी करण्यासाठी ते जे काही आपल्या माउथ मध्ये जे आपण मुख छाले जे म्हणतो त्यांना लावण्यासाठी ग्लिसरॉल वापरतात. ओके, when oxalic acid react with glycerol, different temperature to give the different type of product. When glycerol is treated with different temperature to give a different product. Okay, let's now start the first product at 110 degrees Celsius or 110 degrees Celsius. What happen when oxalic acid react with glycerol at 110 degrees Celsius to give a glycerol monoformate, which on hydrolysis to give glycerol is regenerated form a oxalic acid. Okay, when glycerol treatment with oxalic acid at 110 degrees Celsius to give glycerol monoformate. Okay, here liberation of one water molecule here you see this is a removal of this EH and OH of glycerol minus H2O. Okay, this minus H2O to give converted glycerol monoformate. This is a glycerol moiety and this is a formic acid derivative formate. Hence is named as glycerol monoformate. Okay, undergoes heating in presence of water molecule to give regenerated glycerol with formic acid. Okay, one more application is preparation of formic acid with the help of glycerol and oxalic acid. Simple reaction when glycerol is treated with oxalic acid under 110 degrees Celsius to give glycerol monoformate, which on under heating to give the glycerol and formic acid. Okay, this is one more chemical reactions of this oxalic acid. Then next, high heating, okay, or high temperature. When glycerol is treated with oxalic acid at 230 degrees Celsius to give glycerol dioxalate. It is cyclic structure, 6-member cyclic structure. Glycerol dioxalate. Okay, which on further heating to gives a allyl alcohol. It gives a allyl alcohol. What happens when after strong heating, two water molecules are liberated from oxalic acid and glycerol when they are combined to formation of glycerol dioxalate. This is a glycerol dioxalate. It is a 6-member cyclic structure CH2, CHO, CO, and O. It is called as glycerol dioxalate, which on further heating to give a allyl alcohol. It gives a allyl alcohol. Okay. Remember one that thing, when glycerol treatment with oxalic acid under different temperature to use two different product. Okay, प्रश्न कसा येईल, when glycerol and oxalic acid treated with different temperature, what happen when, or to prepare allyl alcohol from oxalic acid, मग काय करायचं, oxalic acid plus glycerol at 230 degrees Celsius. First intermediate or first cyclic product is glycerol dioxalate, which on further heating to give a allyl alcohol. Okay, this is a one more applications or one more chemical reactions of oxalic acid with glycerol. Okay, then next, action of heat. Oxalic acid on heating at different temperature gives a different type of product. Again, oxalic acid under heating, oxalic acid under heating at different temperature to give a two different product. The first is when oxalic acid heated at 95 to 100 degrees Celsius to give a formic acid. Okay, to give a formic acid with a liberation of CO2, 1 mole of CO2. Then oxalic acid is heated or strong heating. Oxalic acid is strong heating to give 2 mole of carbon dioxide, sorry, 1 mole of carbon dioxide, 1 mole of carbon monoxide, and a water molecule. Okay. At low temperature, formation of formic acid and carbon dioxide. At high temperature, whole oxalic acid will break, formation of CO2, carbon monoxide, and H2O. Okay. This is a two different temperature, use two different product. Okay. Then here, the part of oxalic acid is finished. Okay. Remember thing of the oxalic acid related. First is structure of oxalic acid, COOH, COOH. Chemical formula of oxalic acid, C2H2O4. Preparation of oxalic acid, there are two preparation method of oxalic acid. Number of preparation method of oxalic acid, but in our syllabus include only 2 methods included in our syllabus. Then next, 5 chemical reactions of oxalic acid: reaction with glycerol, reaction with ammonia, heating. Then these 5 reactions are occur, chemical reactions are occurred. Okay. Then next topic or next acid is lactic acid, generally also known as alpha hydroxypropanic acid, or IUPAC name as 2-hydroxypropanic acid. Okay, this is acid is main source is milk. You know milk, cow's milk, buffalo milks. Okay, here lactic acid, the formula of lactic acid CH3HCOH, and general formula is C3H6O3. Okay, in 1780, Chile isolated lactic acid from sour milk. Sour milk पासून त्यांनी lactic acid isolate केला. It is formed by fermentation of lactose, milk sugar. Okay, by lactic ferment or lactyl bacilli, lactic acid is also found in blood and muscle tissue. Okay, दुधामध्ये जे काही लॅक्टिक ऍसिड असतं तर ते आपल्या बॉडीसाठी आपल्याला रिक्वायर्ड असतं. त्यासाठी ते कुठे आढळतं आपल्या बॉडीमध्ये, ब्लड मध्ये पण असतं आणि मसल टिश्यू मध्ये सुद्धा ते असतं. असतं म्हणजे काय, जे आपण घेतो म्हणून ते लागतं, म्हणून आपण दूध हे घेतो. आणि दुधामध्ये तुम्हाला माहिती आहे की मेजर प्रमाणात काय असतो, प्रोटीन सोर्स असतो. ओके, दुधामध्ये जवळपास सगळेच घटक सम प्रमाणात आहेत. कॅल्शियम पण मिळतं दुधापासून, त्यानंतर लॅक्टिक ऍसिड पण आहे, लॅक्टोज इट इज ऑल्सो एनर्जी सोर्स पण तो पण आहे. ओके, लॅक्टोज इट इज ए मिल्क शुगर. ठीक आहे. देन प्रिपरेशन ऑफ lactic acid. Okay, 2 preparation reactions of lactic acid. Then discuss one more reaction is from acetaldehyde. When acetaldehyde react with hydrogen cyanide to give first intermediate is acetaldehyde cyanohydride, which on hydrolysis to give a lactic acid. Okay, first of all, when acetaldehyde treated with HCN or hydrogen cyanide, these hydrogen cyanide contain nucleophilic cyanide treated on or attacking on carbonyl carbon gets converted into oxygen minus. This oxygen minus abstracted H plus from HCN to formation of acetaldehyde cyanohydride. Okay, here OH and cyanide. This is an intermediate which on hydrolysis in the presence of water plus mild acidic condition to give a lactic acid. Okay, this is the preparation reactions of lactic acid from acetaldehyde. प्रश्न कसा येईल, प्रिपरेशन ऑफ लॅक्टिक ऍसिड फ्रॉम acetaldehyde. काय करावं लागेल आपल्याला, acetaldehyde घ्यावं लागेल, त्यावरती हायड्रोजन साइड रिएक्शन करावं लागेल at 195 to 200 डिग्री सेल्सियस. फर्स्ट acetaldehyde cyanohydride डेरिव्हेटिव्ह, त्याचं हायड्रोलिसिस करायचं आपल्याला, काय मिळेल, लॅक्टिक ऍसिड. दिस इज द फर्स्ट प्रिपरेशन रिएक्शंस ऑफ लॅक्टिक ऍसिड. Then next, preparation of lactic acid from pyruvic acid. You know pyruvic acid? Pyruvic acid is a product of Krebs cycle. ओके, बॉटनीला विद्यार्थ्यांना माहिती असेल क्रेब्स सायकल मध्ये पायरुविक ऍसिड जो आहे एटीपी एडीपी जनरेट होऊन तुम्हाला शेवटी पायरुविक ऍसिड मिळतो. ओके, फोटोसिंथेटिक रिएक्शन मध्ये आहे ते ऍप्लिकेशन. When pyruvic acid on reduction using palladium or zinc in presence of sulfuric acid or sodium borohydride to give a lactic acid. Okay, what is pyruvic acid? Wait for 2 minutes. Here reaction is a copy paste. Okay, so I am writing here structure of pyruvic acid CH3 C double bond O CO OH. Structure of pyruvic acid CH3 C double bond O COOH. Okay, which on treated with or which on reduction in presence of zinc palladium oblique zinc. Okay, plus H2SO4 or NaBH4 to give a lactic acid. ओके, त्याच्यामध्ये काय झालं की हे जे स्टार्टिंग मटेरियल आहे हे दोन्ही ठिकाणी काय झालं कॉपी झालं चुकून. तर हे लक्षात ठेवा, हे लॅक्टिक ऍसिड सॉरी पायरुविक ऍसिड आहे याचं कन्वर्जन कशामध्ये झालं डायरेक्ट लॅक्टिक ऍसिड मध्ये विथ द हेल्प ऑफ PD पॅलेडियम झिंक देन H2SO4 और NaBH4 यापैकी तुम्ही कोणताही एक रिएजंट घेऊ शकता. पॅलेडियम झिंक किंवा NaBH4 हा रिएजंट तुम्ही घेऊ शकता.